Hello children, welcome back. I am doing now 9th class maths factorization and polynomials and factorization. So before going to do that, proverb one good turn or a tense of that. What is the meaning of this, children? If a good turn you have taken, that will definitely give you good. That means if you do good, you will get the good back. Definitely this you should keep it in mind. Always don't think that they have done this wrong to me, they have cheated me, this and that. When you are good at your thoughts, why somebody will cheat us, children? If we don't have proper idea about doing things, people are ready to cheat us. So if you are doing any work, develop a total idea about what is it, how are we doing, is it correct on my sense or not, shall I do it? This kind of questions you keep to yourself, and if you get a positive answer, then proceed with it. Then nobody can cheat you. Definitely you will come back with a good result. Remember one thing, children, if you want good from the others, you should be the best to the others. If this policy you maintain in your life, you don't have any enemies. You will have a good people around you and a happy living. Let us come back to the studies. Here we are going to talk about dividing polynomials. We are now going to do about dividing polynomials. This is there in your textbook, page 32. So before going to do this, let us talk about division rule, which you have been learning right from the childhood in the sense from 5th or 4th classes. Dividing, this rule is for children, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus a remainder. This is the one which you have studied. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus a remainder. As an example, let me take 10. You are dividing by 3. 3 3s are 9 and 1. You are getting, what is this 3 called as? This is divisor. What is this 10 called as? It is dividend. And what is this 3 called as? Quotient. And what is this one called as? A remainder. Of course, you know, just a brushing of your knowledge, children. So how are you getting 10? Dividend is nothing but divisor into quotient plus 1. See, children, 9 plus 1, you are getting 10. So this is the division rule which you know, but I wanted to tell you once again as a recollection of your previous knowledge. So let's go through it, children. Okay, now let us go to the problems that are given. These division sums are very important, children. You are going to get in essay type. So the first one is dividing polynomials by monomial. Monomial means what, children? Single term. Let us take an example. The example is 3x cube plus x square plus x should be divided by x. X is nothing but it is a monomial. So you are dividing a polynomial by a monomial. How will you write, children? With x now. So 3x cube by x plus x square by x plus x by x. So 3x cube by x, you are getting 3x square, because x cube means what, children? X cube means x into x by x. One x will get cancelled. you are getting x square. Similarly, x square means x into x by x. These two will get cancelled, you are getting x, and x by x is 1. So this is the answer for it. So what is the division rule you will write? Division rule. This division rule again, what you have done? Dividend. Dividend means 3x cube plus x square plus x is equal to divisor is x into quotient 3x square plus x plus 1 plus remainder will be 0. Why 0? Because you are able to get answer without any reminder. You don't get any reminder here because you are able to divide them properly. There is nothing, reminder is left behind. So we can say that this is the example problem, children, dividing a polynomial by a monomial. Okay, right on. Now, this monomial is a simple one which you can do it very easily, but the next one is dividing a polynomial, before doing that you have got example. Do this sums, children. So let me do this sums in page 38. Page 38, I am having to do this sums. Let me do this. So the first one is divide 3y cube plus 2y square plus y by y. And you have to write division fact. He is asking also to write division fact. Division fact means the division rule you have to write. So you take 3y cube plus 2y square plus y divided by y. How will you write, children, this? 3y cube by y plus 2y square by y plus y by y. As I told you, y cube means y into y divided by y means these two will get cancelled. You are having y square. So 3 you will write as it is, 3y square plus here 1y will get cancelled, 2y plus 1. So this is your answer for this problem. So what is the division fact you will be writing? The division fact or division rule are one and the same, children. So dividend 3y cube plus 2y square plus y is equal to, dividend is equal to what is a divisor? Divisor is y. What is quotient? Whatever you have got, 3y square plus 2y plus 1. You are able to divide, so no remainder. This is called division fact. This is how you have to do this sum, children. I hope you have followed this. Copy it. Now, another question. For another question, you have got the same type of one, but the polynomial got changed. 4p square plus 2p plus 2 by 2p. You have to divide it by 2p. So let us see. What is this? 4p square plus 2p plus 2 divided by 2p. So 4p square by 2p plus 2p by 2p plus 2 by 2. So 4p square, 2 you can cancel, 2 2s are. So 2p square means 2 p's, 1p will get cancelled, 2p plus 1 plus here also 2p will get cancelled, here 2 1s are 1 by p. So this is the solution that you are getting, children. So what you can say? Division fact. That is a division rule, because he is naming it as a division fact. I am writing it like this. Dividend 4p square plus 2p plus 2. This is equal to divisor 2p into quotient 2p plus 1 by p. Remainder you have got 0. Remember one thing, children, it's only the process what we have to accept here is only the division, how you have to divide. Can you consider this as a polynomial? You cannot consider. Why? Because the variable is there in the denominator. It is not a polynomial, but since the question is asked like this, how you have to divide? We are concentrating on division only. We are not now concentrating about whether it is a polynomial or not. It is a problem given to us and we are solving. That's all. So in the earlier one, definitely it is a polynomial, but here we need not consider, we cannot consider it as a polynomial. The reason is the denominator is having a variable. Copy it, children. Now, this sums have completed. Now, you are having example 6. The same page, you have got example 6. What is this example 6? Divide 3x square plus x minus 1 by x plus 1. So, this is division by binomial, children. Earlier monomial, so directly you have done, but here you have to divide it properly. So how you have to do? 3x square plus x minus 1 should be divided by x plus 1. 3x square plus x minus 1 by x plus 1. So children, I will teach you a very easy method of finding out the factors, how you have to do it. Take this first one, and in the rough column you divide them. What am I getting here? I am getting 3x. Write that 3x here. After writing that 3x, this divisor you take, multiply by 3x. How much you are getting? 3x square plus 3x. This value you write it here. 3x square plus 3x. Now what you need to do? You have to subtract. So the signs will change. These two will get cancelled. Minus 3x plus x. Minus 2x minus 1 you have got. Now again the same thing. Take this first one, that is minus 2x, and divided by this first one, x. These two will get cancelled. Minus 2. Along with the sign you have to take. That you write it here. Don't forget. After writing that, again you take x plus 1. Multiply by minus 2. Minus 2x minus 2 you are getting. So, minus 2x minus 2x minus 2. So, how much? I have to subtract, it becomes plus. So, the remainder is 1. So, this is how you have done this, children. I hope you have understood. Now, I will be writing, I am rubbing this rough work, children. You can turn your video back and see this. Now, division rule. Let us write what is division rule for it. The division rule is dividend 3x square plus x minus 1. How will you get? Divisor, that is x plus 1 into quotient 3x minus 2 plus remainder is 1. This is the division rule which you are getting by dividing this. So children, if you have a very big number and you are dividing, in case in the examination we don't know, textbook means while doing, you will just go through the back answers and see, I got answer or I didn't get answer. Then you can check once again. But in the examination it is not possible, no? So what you do, you can go for checking for this division rule. What you need to do, you multiply these two and add this. You will be getting the same answer. If you get the same answer, your division is right. If you are not getting, that is wrong. Okay. Now, if you get a problem, check the division rule means we will do that. But at present, this, I think you know, already we have done in your previous classes how to multiply x plus 1 and 3x minus 2. There is a column method, there is a vertical method. Whichever method you feel easy, you can go with that method. Okay children, copy this. This is example 6. You have got another example. Let us see the example 7. What is example 7? Divide 2x to the power of 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 by x minus 1. And verify the rule he is saying. He is asking also verify the division rule. So this only what I said I will do. Verify the rule. The division rule. You have to verify the division. So first let us divide. 2x to the power of 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1. But children, here when you are writing, first and foremost thing what you have to see is whether the degrees are in order. You have started with 4 now. Sometimes this 4 somewhere in the center they will give. So first what you have to do, whatever is the dividend given to you, first you should know how to put it in an order. You will keep it in an order according to its degree wise. So here also when you have observed, okay, 4, 3, 1, it is in an order only. But are they in, next question, first one is it in an order? After coming to know that yes, it is in an order. Second one, is the order is continuous. Order is continuous means what? What is the order? From there, in descending order, you should have the powers. When I have seen here, I have got 4, I have got 3. Where is 2? There is no 2. So what you do is, minus 3x minus 1, you leave a gap and write. Are you understanding? This gap is essential for you when you are dividing it. So whenever you are dividing, you are using this division process. First thing what you need to do, whether the given polynomial is in proper order. Order means what children? The degrees of the polynomial should be in descending order. Is it in descending order? You see. Of course, if you find that the numbers are in descending order, okay, first point you have clarified. Now the second one what you have to do is that descending order is a continuous one. Continuous one means if you are starting with 4, you should have power 4, power 3, power 2, power 1. Are you having that or not, you see? If something is missing, when you are writing that dividend in doing the sum, leave the gap. That is very essential for you when you are solving this. Let us see how it is very essential. Now, let us divide it by x minus 1. As I said, 2x to the power of 4 you take and divide it by x. What I am getting children? X cube. 2x cube I got. So, I should write 2x cube here. Then x minus 1 into 2x cube. How much you are getting children? 2x to the power of 4 minus 2x cube and we get. So 2x to the power of 4 minus 2x cube. Okay. Now subtraction, addition. So this I am getting as a minus 2x cube gap minus 3x minus 1. Now once again let us go to the next one. Next one is what is this children? Minus 2x cube divided by x. How much you are getting? Minus 2x square. So write here minus 2x square. Don't forget. After writing that, then you take x minus 1. Here this divisor into minus 2x square. How much I am getting? Minus 2x cube plus 2x square. So minus 2x cube I have written. See children, because I have kept this gap, I could write plus 2x square here. If you forget to give this gap, there is no place for it. Again you will be writing somewhere else and your whole problem will be a confusion. So this is why I have asked you to leave the gap. Now plus minus. So what am I getting? Minus 2x square minus 3x minus 1. So again minus 2x square by x. What am I getting? Minus 2x I am getting. So I should write minus 2x here and I should multiply x minus 1 with minus 2x. So minus 2x square plus 2x. So minus 2x square plus 2x I got. Okay. Now what should I do? Signs will change. Plus minus. These two will get cancelled. Minus 5x minus 1. You may not see here children. I am writing here. Minus 5x minus 1 you are getting. This minus 5x minus 1 means again minus 5x divided by x. You are getting minus 5. So minus 5 into x minus 1 into minus 5. Minus 5x plus 5. So minus 5x plus 5 you will be getting. So when you are changing the signs, minus 6 is the remainder. So this is the division children. This part I have written once again here. This totally it is division. So I hope you have understood. Copy it children, because for the verification I need a space. So I will be doing that once again. I have got 2x cube. Now we will see the verification children. What is that he is asking? Verify the remainder with here the question is verify the remainder with 0 of the divisor. 0 of the divisor. That means what is the 0 of the divisor? With that you have to verify whether you are going to get the same remainder or not. So what is 0 of divisor? 0 of the divisor is nothing but, we know that x minus 1 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 1. So 0 of the remainder is 1. So let us take p of x is equal to 2x to the power of 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1. So p of 1, 2 into 1 to the power of 4, 4 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 minus 1. This is 2 minus 4 minus 3 minus 1. How much you are getting children? 2 into minus 1 cube minus 3 minus 1. So this is a 2 minus 7 and 8 minus 8. So what is 2 minus 8? Minus 6. You got the same remainder, no? We will say thus verified. You have verified, because here also you got remainder as minus 6. When you have done the problem also, you have got the remainder minus 6. So what is the problem asked you children? It has asked you to divide a given polynomial, that is 3x square, the 2x to the power of 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1, that is asked you to divide by x minus 1. Already I have done it. You can turn back and see. When we are dividing, what I got the answer, the remainder I got as minus 6. Now what is that they are asking? Verify the remainder, means remainder minus 6, have you got it correctly or not? That you have to check. How? With 0 of the divisor. 0 of the divisor means divisor is x minus 1. So 0 of divisor is 1. X minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. So that 1 you have to substitute in the given dividend, and see, are you going to get the same answer as you have got the remainder in the division. So I have done the same thing. With 1 I have done, when I have simplified I got minus 6. So both of them are same. This is how our problem is verified. So with this I will stop children. Next one, next class.